Hello and welcome to the DVC Shop YouTube channel. Today we're excited to bring you on a journey of the A Touch of Disney event held in Disney's California Adventure. Being the first peak we've had at Disney parks on the West Coast in over a year, we were so eager to see what Disney was cooking up for us, and now we get to share that with you. So let's dive right in. Disney has set up some great booths that feature snack-sized portions of food, so you can really sample some great specialty items that haven't really been offered before. Keep in mind, these booths and most other dining locations are only accepting mobile orders through the Disneyland app right now, so make sure to bring an external battery pack so your phone has enough juice to make all those mobile orders. In total, there were 6 pop-up marketplaces as well as some of the classic dining locations that you can order from. Our favorite marketplace booths would have to be Delish, which offers the very berry Mickey waffle, or Golden Dreams, which had some really yummy sweet and spicy chicken wings. Each of the marketplace booths have something really unique to offer, and since you get a $25 gift card with your admission, you can try quite a few items before having to spend any additional money. One of the new items featured in this event is the carrot cake funnel cake fries. This unique treat was delicious and we highly recommend it. We were worried that the carrot cake flavor would be too much, but the flavor was pretty subdued and it had just the right amount of sweetness as well. Although the main focus of the event is food and beverages, there were a number of shops open during the event that sold a wide array of Disney-themed keepsakes and commemorative items that guests can take home to remember their amazing day at A Touch of Disney. You can find some great gift items at Seaside Souvenirs or get some of your favorite Disney gear at the swanky Elias & Company. Or if you're looking to satisfy your sweet tooth, stop by Bing Bong's Sweet Stuff at Pixar Pier to get some sweet treats that you can take home and enjoy after the event. Another great part of the event was all the photo opportunities you can find around the park. Cast members are standing by to snap professional photos of you and your family with some really unique Disney-themed backgrounds. With the price of admission, you get unlimited PhotoPass downloads for the day you attend the event, so make sure to wear your favorite Disney gear. So that's our video tour of the Touch of Disney event. We hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, please click the like button below and subscribe to the DVC Shop YouTube channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below to let us know if you attended the event, and if so, what your favorite food item was. Additionally, feel free to join our email newsletter by going to dvcshop.com/signup or clicking in the link in the description. You'll be the first to know about the many giveaways we're doing. We actually recently gave away a pair of tickets to the A Touch of Disney event, and we have some really awesome giveaways coming up soon, so make sure to subscribe to get details on how to enter our next giveaway. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!